today's unboxing really is, we're gonna show you everything that comes with the Rolls Royce Cullinan when you buy one from factory. This is a brand new Rolls Royce Cullinan just out of the MPH Club fleet, Black Badge, which you can rent today. But before we can rent it, we have to take out all the stuff that the car comes with. Let's dive into it. The key comes color coded. Looks like these are the umbrellas that go inside the door. This is probably the trickle charger. And this is going to be the piece of the frame that comes on the back of the car. So let's start with probably the most exciting of the three, the umbrellas. All right. Oh man. Looks like they're all black. Cool. So again, these come standard with all Rolls Royces. There's probably little differences which signify if you're dealing with a normal Cullinan or a Black Badge. But what's cool about these Rolls Royce vehicles is that these umbrellas go in the door. A lot of the people owning cars like this have drivers. So your driver will open the door for you and it's easily accessible to grab it for you. There's a little Rolls Royce logo on the bottom here. Just so you know, the way to operate, it's not as straightforward as you think. You might know how to use an umbrella, but do you know how to use a Rolls Royce umbrella? This clicks outward, then you can unwrap it. And then when you're done, it clicks back in. And once it's clicked in, you can put it in the door and use the button to pop it open. It's got a nice click sound once it pops into place. And then when you press this button, it releases. The other umbrella is probably exactly like this one. So let's just move on to the trickle charger. I imagine this will be pretty standard. Oh wow, this looks nice. So it comes in a special Rolls Royce bag. And then what's funny is the trickle charger looks exactly like every other brand's trickle chargers. This is what you plug in to keep your battery's health. Wow. This is the actual window sticker of the car. Before tax, the total suggested retail price was $457,100. Damn near close to 500. What's really cool about the Black Badge is a lot of the interior trim has this carbon fiber details, but it's not a traditional carbon fiber weave. It looks like a quilt, like a quilted carbon fiber. This still has plastic all around. We got to pull off the screens and whatnot in the glove box. Oh wow, this looks very, very serious. Thank you for buying this Rolls Royce. Welcome to the family. A special team of dedicated engineers has exposed your car to a comprehensive testing program in various stages during its production at the home of Rolls Royce in Goodwood, West Sussex, UK. It's basically a letter from Rolls Royce saying, we proved, tested, it's safe, it's good to go, enjoy it, welcome to the family. Next, you have this very nice embossed leather book, which is probably the owner's manual. We're not gonna go through this whole thing. So this is the Black Badge Cullinan. It is now in the MPH Club fleet if you wanna drive a brand new Rolls Royce Cullinan Black Badge. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you found it entertaining and subscribe to the channel for more. And you're gonna see a lot more of this Black Badge Cullinan on the channel. Stay tuned. A brand new review of the Rolls Royce Cullinan Black Badge is coming very soon. It might be linked below if we remembered. You can go ahead and check now. If it's there, go us. If it's not, we suck, so watch out. I saw a video once of somebody showing just how high the quality of these Rolls Royce builds are. They opened up the engine hood and they put a coin on the engine itself and it balances.
You know what? Let's see if this is real.
Let's try it.
Get a coin. Let's put it on there. Pop the hood. Let's try this out. Alright, let's see if we can make this possible because, what was it here? It's gonna be a little difficult.
Oh
watch it fall in there. Oh my god. I would die. I take it back. Let's skip this idea. Hey, the car makes a little noise. I can't figure it out. Like, yeah, we have to take the engine out to figure out. There's a nickel in there for some reason. Yeah, let's not do that.
Guess how much it costs to have a shooting star headliner? 10 pounds. You're pretty close, but more expensive. So it's actually only $8,150.
Only? Wow, what a steal.
All right, so this has the driver's package, which comes with 6-7 different things. Rolls-Royce monogram on all of the headrests in black. Comes with the Rolls-Royce bespoke audio system. A bespoke interior, which means you can modulate how the interior looks, like what panels are colored. The driver assistance system, so I guess that's active lane stabilization, active cruise control, park assistance, and night vision with pedestrian recognition. How much do you think that costs?
20?
24.
Wow.
$1,000, $575. This has the dark exterior package, which I think involves the trim here on the outside. Guess how much the black exterior package costs?
I hope it's no more than 3.
$4,050. You're pretty close at all of these. Honestly, I thought we were going to be way farther apart.
Yeah, me too. Honestly, I'm a little surprised about
I
that.
don't know what this is. Extended veneer center line.
This joint came with veneers.
I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Okay, but I do know what this is. This has the full mandarin orange interior, but as you can see on the seats, the piping is all in black. This is just to have the piping in a different color, which also is the original color black.
I'm gonna go a little higher than what I think, 2,000.
It's $4,500 to have those pipes black as opposed to orange or white or whatever it originally came with. The instrument panel has a top stitch. This piece of orange thread, how much do you think this piece of orange thread costs?
I'm gonna go with 2 bands again.
It's actually only $900.
Thank God. I mean, not really in the sense of like
expensive thread.
Yeah.
There's fees at the bottom of this window sticker. It just says gas guzzler, $2,600. What does that mean?
I don't know, it burns hella gas, I guess.
All right, so this all adds up to a grand total of $456,100 before tax, title, registry.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to leave a comment below on your thoughts of the unboxing, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.